Right, that looked pretty easy, and it kind of is. So there's a couple of key principles. If you just follow them, it's really easy to do. I'll just mess it up again, and then I'll talk you through it and explain the general principle behind it, and then later I'll go into all the details of doing the individual stages. So to start off, you want to get a cross on one side, it's the right color, with all of these aligning. So we now have the cross with all those colors the same. You now want to change it so there's a T here which fits, and that'll finish the white off to make it all one face of white. So now white is complete and you have a T on each side. So you want to change the T now into a rectangle, so each side has a rectangle and the top part of the cube is done. Okay, so now the top part of the cube is done, and it's just one row and one face that isn't done yet. So you want to get a cross on the side, on the face that's not been done yet. So you get a cross across there. And now you just want to finish it off and make it all yellow with everything fitting. There you have it. That is how you do the Rubik's Cube.